Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GM Arnam. So today I will discuss how to uh, do chat with the expert and representative. So here is a chat. You can just click on this. So here there, do you have any question that we can help you with? So speak to sales. Let me help you get set up. That which product are you interested in learn about? uh, I will discuss on Crunchbase Enterprise. I will just click on. So I have made a question how many they have made a question that how many people on your team need access to Crunch. You can use just me. If you have a team, you can click on 4 members or 5 members. So here is a automatic reply of this chat. So nice Crunchbase Pro would be the right plan for you. Crunchbase Pro is built for those who would like to research directly with the Crunchbase web interface with Pro access, advanced search, personalized alerts, data visualization, CSV export. You can start a free trial for Crunchbase Pro here. Anything else we can help with? So I would like to submit a support ticket. I want to chat with sales. I would like question on your product. So you can find more information on Crunchbase Pro, Crunchbase expertise and Crunchbase application on your product page. Our knowledge center can also answer some commonly asked questions about your products. Anything else we can help with? So this is the chat export team. You can find anything. If you don't know about anything of this platform, you can make chat of their automatic system. So now you can go to people. You can search, for example, you search a company digital group. So you can just click on this. Number of portfolio company is 12. Primary job title founder SEO. Name of exit 6. Primary organization digital currency group. New York, United, Greater New York area. Investor partner individual. So here is his Twitter. Here is his Twitter account. Number of investment, organization name. You can find out 12 company affiliated with this name. So recommendation is here. So here is just summary of this main. You can find companies. For example, I will write on graphic designer group. So you can see here similar companies 3 and graphic designer, web designer. So you can see here the company and group of the people working on this platform. So you can also make account and make a company on this platform. You can start your business or entrepreneurship. So I hope you enjoy the whole video of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.